This recording, we're going to go over 2 tips using email and Outlook. The first tip is to use an email to make an appointment. You can do this 2 different ways. One is using the to-do bar calendar, which is over here on your right-hand side, and you can use these arrows to change from month to month. Or you can use your calendar bar in your navigation pane on your left. If neither one of these are showing, you can make these appear by clicking on View, going down to Navigation pane, and making sure or to check Normal, or to go to the To-Do bar and again checking the Normal. Since these are both checked, I'm just going to click out of it. How to make an email into an appointment is quite simple. You click on the email, and then you will click and hold it and drag it on top of your calendar, whatever date that you want the appointment. I'm using the to-do bar, so I'm going to choose the 18th. When I drop the email on the date, the appointment window pops up, and I can change or add whatever I want. I can change the subject line to just say, Wednesday meeting. I can put a location in here. I can change the start time, and I can change the end time or even the end date. If I wanted this to go for 2 days, I can change that. I can invite people to this appointment. I can make it a reoccurring. I can do a variety of different things. So I'm going to go ahead and just save this, and then I'm going to go to my calendar, and you can see that on the 18th at 9 o'clock I have this appointment, and I click on it, and then all the information is in the notes down here. And this is really nice if you have an address or phone number or directions or maybe an agenda to a meeting, because all those notes will be in that appointment. If you sync with your phone and use the calendar, then again, if you scroll down, when you open up that appointment, all this information will also be there. The second way that you can do the same thing is using the navigation pane, and that is using the calendar bar down here. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to click on my email, and I'm going to drop it on top of the calendar. And the difference is the date. The date is going to be defaulted of today's date, which is Wednesday, March 10th. I can change this date easily by clicking the drop down and going to a different date. I can change the time if I so wish. I can change the subject. I can add things. I can still invite attendees just like you did the other way. So I'm going to go ahead and save this. And then again, look at my calendar, and I'm going to look on the 17th, and there's that appointment with all the information that I need. So 2 different ways that you can make an email an appointment: clicking on the to-do bar calendar, or clicking or dropping it on the calendar bar in your navigation pane. The second tip that we're going to do using email is to organize your email by color. So you can highlight email received from certain people a color. If you notice, just in my window pane here, Linda Ketman and Jacqueline Noby are in red. And I can do the same thing for other email recipients as well. How we do this is we go to our main menu up at Tools, and I'm going to click on Tools, and I'm going to go down to Organize and click. The ways to organize inbox will appear, and I'm going to click on Using Colors. And in this, I have 2 choices: color messages, from or sent to. And usually it's going to read the email that you're on. So right now it's reading Sherry Williams. And then I can choose what color I wish her emails to be in. So I'm going to choose lime, and then I can say Apply Color. And then if I scroll down through my emails, and if I can find anything with, well, there's Kathy, and there's Sherry. So Sherry is now lime green. Show messages sent only to me in, and I can turn that on. And that would exclude emails that Sherry might send to distribution list. So you might want to be careful with this. If you're on a committee and someone is using a distribution list, that would certainly not include that. So again, just to review, to organize email using color, to have those emails pop out at you, the ones that might be important, you simply go to Tools, go to Organize, click on Using Colors, and then you can just enter a person's name. I'm just going to put Jonathan's name, and you can choose a color, and then just apply that color. The bad thing is it doesn't really keep a listing of that. So if you did want to change, for example, if I wanted to change Sherry back to auto, I would have to type in her name and then just go up here and choose auto and apply that color. And that would remove the lime green that I have for her. So I hope those tips are helpful for you in email.